Hey guys, and welcome back to the Makeup Mess. Thank you so much for tuning in. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how I do a very sexy chocolate lip for the autumn-winter season. So yeah, this is obviously if you are in South Africa or anywhere else where it is warm and you just want to just do like a really nice warm lip color, something that's just delicious. Anyway, so just to start off, guys, I'm gonna go in with my MAC mineralized powder. It's the same one that I use for my face, and I'm gonna literally just sort of bat this all over my lip. I'm trying to create a really nice blank canvas all over my lips, as you can see. So this is obviously just gonna really cancel out any discoloration or anything like that, just so we can have a really nice black canvas. I'm having some green tea. Okay, I detox on the weekends and it was super cold, that's why I'm wearing gloves. Yeah, okay, cool, let's go on. So very first one, I'm gonna go in with my chocolate brown lip pencil. I go everywhere with this pencil. I will not leave the house without my brown lip liner pencil in my bag. So what we're going to do here, as you can see, we're going to line the lips ever so slightly, nice and thin, nothing too hectic. I like to sort of draw on my natural line, but I also overline sometimes, just a little bit, like on my lower lip, as you can see, you're going to see in a second, I overline my lips because I want them to look a little bit fuller, just a little bit fuller, not too much, just a little bit. So I'm going to go in there with my liner, just line that. Cool. Alrighty, so our lips are lined. There we go. Okay, a little bit more, just over there on the corners. Alrighty, next I'm gonna go in with my Bobbi Brown lipstick, and this one is in lip color Twilight Shimmer. I honestly haven't used this lip color ever. I've had this lipstick for like years in my stash, so I thought, you know what, perfect timing. So I'm gonna go in with this one. It's got more of like this chocolatey mocha sort of like color to it. It's very unusual, but it's very beautiful. But first, before we do that, I'm going to go in with my Bobbi Brown lip pencil, and I'm going to just quickly go back to that lip liner that we did and just slightly smudge that line. We obviously don't want the line to be too obvious. We want it to be there just to define the lip. So yeah, we're just going to soften that lip liner just so it's not too harsh. Just slightly. All right, there we go. Okay, cool, time for some chocolate, guys. So I'm gonna go in. This lipstick, by the way, is super moisturizing. It looks like a heavy like color, but when you put it on, it's got like this sort of, it's super light. It's almost like a lip balm, you know, the way, and it's got like a nice sheen to it. I would wear this every day. It's a lipstick I would wear definitely every day. And there we go. So I'm going to go back again with my lip liner, alright, because we're trying to create some definition, we're trying to create some chocolate on the lips, guys. So I'm going to really work this lip liner. So I'm going in again for what I think is like the third time or second time, a little bit more. Okay, and now for the cherry on top, I'm going in with this beautiful bronze lip gloss. This I got actually from Mr. Price. I got this, I think, when was this? I don't even remember. I got this from Mr. Price. Such a stunning color. Wow, like I was really surprised like that they even had those. Okay, I hardly go to Mr. Price, but for some reason I thought, let me just go see what's happening there, what's new, what's hot, what's not happening. And I came across this and I have no regrets. Love this lip gloss. Super nice. And yeah, there we go. So that's what we put on top, and then one more time. Some lip liner, guys. We're just trying to create some definition and some chocolate lush. So the lip liner you really have to work with. So as you can see, I'm working some lip liner right now, going in again. Just, it's almost like I'm creating a 3D sort of effect with this lip. That's why I keep going back with the lip liner, because we are working with different textures. Like the lip gloss has got a different texture, the lipstick has a different texture, and the lip liner. So it's got like a really awesome 3D effect, and I love it. And there we go. Simple, sexy chocolate lips for the autumn winter, guys.